Hi, Mr. X with glossary term vector. We draw these things as arrows. And what we want to point out here in this glossary term is that a vector is the sum of component vectors. So let's say we had a vector that started here and ended up here. Now it's actually a mathematical quantity just represented by this arrow. A vector is not actually an arrow. A vector is a quantity with magnitude and direction. But the arrow does a nice job of depicting it. So suppose this arrow, this vector, started up here and went down in this direction with this length. You should know that this is the same vector. That's the same vector, magnitude and direction. That's the same vector we just had. Sure it is. That's the same vector. You okay with that? Now, just as we started with this vector, we can have different components on different axes to represent the same vector. We're going to keep this vector. And now with a different coordinate system, we have different component vectors for this vector. Same vector, different components, because we're on a different set of axes. We can convert from one set of axes to the other set of axes with parametric equations. Let's do one more. It's the same vector on a different set of axes. And there's the vector we started out with. Same vector. Enjoy the language of mathematics at MrXMath.com.